Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving power is the issue. Remove the battery pack, insert 2 fresh AA cells and press the guide button. If that wakes it, the pack or contacts are the problem. Once done, examine the battery bay. Look for corrosion, dirt, or bent tabs that block flow. If you see grime, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. If still dead, plug a known good wired USB cable. This isolates wireless board problems from simple battery faults. Now you focus on connection integrity. Power down, remove cells, and use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to clean contacts until they look bright. That removes oxidation, which raises resistance. Next, if tabs are bent, gently realign them with a plastic spudger. Metal tools can short components. Once contacts are clean and aligned, reinstall batteries or the pack. Press the guide button firmly and watch for the ring of light. This step fixes most contact-related failures when the controller won't turn. Finish by isolating the pack versus the electronics. If cleaning fails, swap the rechargeable battery pack for a known good pack or fresh AA cells. Rechargeable packs degrade over time. If that doesn't work, remove power for 1 minute to reset internal circuits, then retry. If the controller still won't power on, the fault is likely the main board or power regulator. Test with a multimeter or replace the controller. Key tip: if LEDs flicker but no startup, suspect a weak pack or loose solder joint.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.